Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering down the iPhone and checking the lightning port and headphone jack physically. This removes obvious obstructions that trigger headphone mode. Once done, use short bursts of compressed air and a soft toothpick-wrapped cloth to gently clear lint. Avoid metal objects. Make sure to remove any case or screen protector that might hide debris. Then back up your device to iCloud or iTunes so you can safely continue. This protects data if you need to restore software later. Next, try software fixes that often clear the headset flag. Perform a force restart by holding home and power until the Apple logo shows. This resets audio routing. Once rebooted, toggle Bluetooth and open Control Center to switch audio outputs between device and any paired accessory. Play music and listen. If it still reports headphones, repeatedly plug and unplug headphones 10 to 15 times to stimulate the detection switch. Also test with a different headphone set. This differentiates hardware versus software causes. For final remediation, restore the iPhone using iTunes. Backup first, connect, choose restore and update and follow prompts. This clears deep software glitches. If the problem persists after restore, the lightning port, headphone jack switch, or audio IC may be faulty and needs professional repair. Book an Apple store or trusted technician. Make sure to mention any prior drops or water exposure. If you suspect liquid damage, power down immediately and seek service. That prevents further corrosion and improves repair outcomes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.